Have you ever spent hours making a beautiful batch of soap only to have it sit on the shelf because something about the colors just felt off to buyers? The colors you choose can literally make or break a sale. I am Kathy, the clumsy soaper, and today we are going to dive into color theory specifically for soap makers, so your bars practically sell themselves. You will learn how to choose color combinations that attract customers, whether you make soap at home or sell commercially. Let's get into it. This one is a game changer for your craft. Let me be straight with you. A pretty soap on a market table will get picked up first, every single time. But throwing random colorants together and hoping for the best, that is how you end up with muddy, confusing designs that undercut your work. Color theory gives you a framework, a set of rules artists and designers have used for centuries, so your color choices feel intentional and harmonious rather than accidental. Your soap deserves that foundation. Before we get into the hands-on color mixing, let us quickly ground ourselves in 5 foundational concepts that will shape every color decision you make at the soap bench. Complementary colors sit opposite each other on the color wheel and create bold, eye-catching contrast. Analogous colors sit side by side and give your soap that calm, harmonious feel. Monochromatic designs use one single hue in multiple shades for elegant simplicity. Warm versus cool tones directly influence the emotional mood your soap communicates to a buyer. And white, often underestimated, acts as a visual separator that gives your colors room to breathe and stand out cleanly. Keep these 5 in mind as your design toolkit. Here is your practical tip for working with color in soap making. The color wheel is your best friend when planning a soap design, and you do not need to buy anything fancy. Free apps online and tools like the one built into Canva give you instant access. Pick your primary color, then look directly across the wheel to find its complement, which creates bold contrast. Colors sitting beside your chosen hue are its analogs, giving you harmonious, blended palettes that feel cohesive and intentional in your finished bars. Now, here is a tip that can genuinely transform how your soap bars perform on a market table or retail shelf. Complementary colors sit directly opposite each other on the color wheel, and that opposition creates maximum contrast and visual tension. Think of a sunset where deep orange blazes against a blue sky. Your eye cannot look away. That is exactly the effect you want. Orange and blue, yellow and purple, red and green, these pairings create high visual impact that makes your bars impossible to ignore. Analogous color schemes pull from colors that sit right next to each other on the color wheel. Think of them like neighbors sharing a fence. Because they are so closely related, they naturally blend without visual tension, which is why combinations like blue, purple, and teal, or yellow, orange, and red feel so effortless to the eye. In soap making, analogous palettes are your go-to when designing spa-inspired bars, meditation collections, or anything marketed around calm and relaxation. Monochrome is one of those color strategies that genuinely never goes out of style. You are working with a single hue, say dusty rose or sage green, and simply varying it from light to dark within the bar. Think of it like a watercolor wash, where the same pigment carries different weights across the paper. In soap making, this reads as intentional and refined, which means you can price it accordingly. Clean, confident, and always market ready. Here is something that experienced soap colorists learn after a few batches of muddy, blended together designs. White is not empty space, it is a working tool. Dropping a white layer between your colors acts like a visual breath, letting each hue read clearly on its own. Titanium dioxide gives you that crisp, opaque white in cold process soap, and it is genuinely one of the most hard-working colorants in your kit. Here is something that can quietly make or break your soap sales: color and scent alignment. When a buyer picks up a lavender bar and it is purple, everything clicks. Their brain confirms the scent before they even smell it. Citrus soaps in yellow or orange, pine and green, these pairings tap into deeply ingrained sensory expectations. Mismatching them creates subconscious doubt, and doubt kills purchasing decisions faster than a bad fragrance. Before you commit a single drop of colorant to your soap batter, do a quick paper test. Grab some white paper, mix tiny swatches of your colorants together, and watch how they interact. This costs almost nothing and takes 5 minutes. In soap making, colors can shift dramatically in the alkaline environment of lye, so previewing combinations on paper first can genuinely save you from a full batch of muddy, unexpected results. And that brings us to the end of our color theory journey. Remember these 3 reliable schemes: complementary colors for high drama and contrast, analogous colors for natural harmony, and monochromatic palettes for clean elegance. Whether you are swirling a handcrafted batch or planning a commercial line, these tools help you design soaps that truly connect with your customers. You now have a real creative framework to work with, and I am rooting for you every step of the way. Once again, this is Kathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Be blessed and be a blessing to others.